everyone. So tonight I just want to share with you a quick little project that I created. I love how they turned out. I think they're so cute. And the only reason why I didn't do a process video on this is because I've done this technique so many times. You guys know that I love my Tim Holtz Distress ink pads and creating backgrounds, and I tend to do the same backgrounds all the time. So if you want, I can go ahead and link down below all the tutorials that I've done on the night sky background using my distress inks. But if you would like to see a tutorial of me creating something similar to this, please let me know down in the comments and I will be sure to do that for you. So I have created a shaker bookmark before, but what I really wanted to do is create a flat bookmark because I'm going to be reading the Hocus Pocus book that I picked up at Target. I'm so excited to read it. Not so much excited to read the sequel, just because I know that I think Freeform is creating their own version of Hocus Pocus, and they're not having Kenny Ortega, the director, back. They are not having, you know, Kathy Najimy, Sarah Jessica Parker, or Bette Midler, even though they said they would all do it. No one is coming back, which I'm super sad about, so I'm a little hesitant to read the second part to the book, but I wanted to have something that was flat that I could stick in my book and use. And shaker bookmarks, I feel, are better for like a traveler's notebook or something that's not so, you know, compressed. So I went ahead and used my Avery L bookmark die. There is the barcode in case anyone is interested. I enjoyed making my shaker bookmarks so much that I really wanted to just make bookmarks. I don't know. I know that sounds like really dorky, but like I think bookmarks are so cute, you know? So I picked that die up, and then I have had this in my stash. I believe it's discontinued. This is the barcode in case anyone is interested. This is called Grave Situation from MFT. So you might get lucky and maybe find it like on Amazon or eBay or something, I don't know. But this is the dies. And basically you can stamp out the little tombstones and then add whatever little phrase you want inside it. So like just buried, youth be gone, miss Hugh. I love I'm a goner and be right back. Like that's my favorite. Those are my favorite ones. So I die cut my bookmark with watercolor paper because that's how I color. I love coloring that way. And I love my Tim Holtz Distress markers, so that's just how I color. So I used my Lawn Fawn Stitched Hillside die. I used Mowed Lawn for the ground and Wilted Violet and Dusty Concord for the sky. I used white acrylic paint to splatter on the stars in my sky. This one didn't turn out as good, but these ones turned out great. I love the way I colored the tombstones. I used different shades of purple and gray to give like this tie-dye effect. I've done it before because I used this dye when I made paper clips, so I'll link that video down below. But I love these colors. They're so vibrant, and I just think it looks really pretty on the tombstone. And then I love this little crow. I think he's so adorable. So on the top, I just have some purple grosgrain ribbon, and I tied it with some black and white baker's twine. So there's that one. And then this one, I just love this single tombstone. This one I used some black soot distress ink at the top. So I kind of did different things for the night sky. I love how it looks. I think it's so pretty. And then this one is Be Right Back. I think it's so pretty. I know you guys have seen me do this so many times, the night sky background, but I really love doing it. Like, it's so much fun. And then there's this one, I'm a Goner. The tie-dye effect looks really cool on this one. So that is my quick project share. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, if you guys want to see me do a process video on this bookmark, then I can do something a little bit different, but still do the night sky if you'd like, and I can do different colors. So I'm thinking next time I will do like more of a blue instead of purple. I just gravitate towards purple because it's my favorite color. So, but anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow night. Love you guys. Bye.